Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can create a job post here in Facebook. So here we are in Facebook, and now what we're gonna do is search here on Facebook, but you have to keep in mind first that you need to decide what niche you are going to hire from. So let's say we want social media manager, then we could go social media manager, and as you can see there are already a lot of search suggestions that Facebook has to offer to us. It has social media manager jobs PH right here. Depending on your location, you can also want that. So let's say if you want some to hire a social media manager from UK, then you can go type UK right here, included in your search. So let's go with that, and as you can see we have this right here, and what we want to do is actually search for groups. We don't want to search for pages right like that. We want to search from groups because that is where the employees would be joining, so they would be on alert for some job posts that will be posted there, and a lot would really apply to you. So if you're gonna go there, social media manager UK, so we're gonna go for that right here, social media manager UK, and as you can see there isn't much that is appearing that is regarding UK. I think it depends on your location because I'm in the Philippines right now, and everything that is appearing right here is from the Philippines. So maybe we could just go for Sydney right there. For Australia, let's go right there, and as you can see we have a lot right here for social media manager. And let's say we want video editor, we can also do that. We can search for groups right there. We can use the filters right here in groups, and you could go for video editors association in the Philippines. As you can see, it's based on your location where you are based. Let's go for Sydney again, and let's see if it would show us different results that is located in Sydney. As you can see, it says video editor Sydney right there. And yeah, you want to join a group that doesn't have a lot of people right there, like 100,000. Then you don't want to do that because the case is there will be a lot of spammers, and some people might just spam you with applications when they are not really qualified, just like that. Those are just the people that were trying, even though they know they weren't qualified. So what you want to do is just go for, what I recommend is go for a 10k or below, and you don't want to go far too low. Maybe a 1k is, or 1000 is good enough, just like here. YouTube automation cash cow videos, I think this one is a good one, and you want to join right there. As you can see, some of them may require you to request registration before you can join their group, just like that. But for this, you can automatically join once you select on join. And as you can see, you have a lot here. And as you can see from Iris, she posted an application right here that she is a video editor that can create cash cow videos right there. So if you posted here, you would get some people like Iris that would really be interested in your job posts depending on your niche. So my advice to you is you don't post a job post in a generic niche like hiring workers, where you're posting job posts with a general niche. You don't want that. You want to be very specific in your niche so that you could find and create a team that is really efficient and effective. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.